Kawadhi County Makisia ni gavana Manyamira Amos Nyaribo kokalo kuom okinde mage ochopo od bura mar county no mar pigo kang mar od bura no dwa kaw chenro mar thiche oko e apisi. Gavana no osedwar thiche oko nyadiriyo gi od bura mar county no Manyamira kagise kuom tiyo marach gi apisi mare. Tiyo marach gi omenda mag county mibadhi e kind weche mamoko. Okinde gavana Nyaribo kotelne gi Julius Anyoka kod Jacob Ongwele okwedo ketho ma osebed ka iseyo kod gavana no kage kwayo mondo med miye thuolo mar tiyo ne oganda e kaunti ma Nyamira. Od bura no biro goyo ombulu poni biro gol Nyaribo e apisi kata ooyo.
The court order, a court of competent jurisdiction. It's only that same order, that same court which has issued an order, which can make a finding that indeed some particular person or individual has violated or disobeyed its own order.
No nexus has been exhibited in this motion to show the linkage between the alleged action and the conduct of the governor. Number two, no evidence. The charge and evidence do not provide the link to the governor on any of the grounds.
Why did the governor accept to pay back the money if at all that was a blame of the Human Resource Department, Mr. Speaker? Then it could be that the Department of HR could have paid back the money, Mr. Speaker.
Kile mmoja amesema hapa eti mswada huu uchahitimu kuonekana kwa hii nyumba ya sheria hapa. Ningeomba sana tuambie ilikuwa inahitaji nini na nini ndio ihitimu ifike hapa, Mheshimiwa Spika. Hiyo ni kutuambia sisi hatuelewi na hatuoni penye tunaenda, Mheshimiwa Spika.